4. 5 billion passengers fly every year. The engine that powers them? British. Frank Whittle, RAF officer. 22 years old when he patented the turbojet in 1930. No lab backing. Barely any funding. Just a pilot and a formula. Germany was building jets simultaneously. Whittle filed first. By 1941, his engine lifted the Gloucester 2839, Britain's first experimental jet. Commercial aviation launched in 1952. 22 years after his patent. Modern turbofans evolved through decades of global work. The principles they're built on? Whittle's. In Britain. Your country didn't enter the jet age. Your country created it. Follow FactsNMind.